Hey, what's up y'all? My name is Stormy. Welcome to my channel Plant-Based Storm. Today's video is about making an inside-out sushi roll with forbidden rice. So what is forbidden rice? It is a black rice that has a delicious nutty flavor, and it's going to make our inside-out roll look so unique and fun, and it is super delicious. So if you've ever wanted to make an inside-out roll, please continue to watch and let's get started.
So we're going to use 1 cup of the black forbidden rice and 1 cup of water, and then I'm going to hit rice. I'm going to set it to brown rice, 26 minutes, and I'm going to let this depressurize naturally instead of breaking the seal and venting it. Okay, we just got to wait for it to cook.
So the first thing that I did was boil some vinegar and 2 tablespoons of water and removed it from the heat, and added some red shredded cabbage to the pot. This will make a quick pickle, or you could just use plain cabbage. It's totally up to you. You just want to make sure that everything gets kind of coated and stirred in well if you decide to do a quick pickle, so that it can all sit in the vinegar. So here I'm slicing up some mango to get it ready to go into the roll. And we'll do the same to the avocado and cucumber, remembering to slice them all lengthwise. Next, add your rice to your nori sheet, spreading it into a thin layer all over. Take some cling wrap and place over the rice so that you can flip it easily and roll it up without it sticking to your hands. This step is super important. At this point, add the cut veggies to your roll. Now it is ready to wrap, and this is where the cling wrap comes in very handy. This allows you to wrap the sushi without it sticking to your hands. That way you can roll it tightly so that it doesn't come apart on you. I'll also use a silicone mat, or you could use a sushi mat to help roll it really tightly. At this point, you want to sit it in the refrigerator and allow it to cool for about 30 minutes to help you cut it. I'm going to go ahead and make another roll real quick, and then we will take it out of the refrigerator and get ready to get it cut. Okay, after taking it out of the refrigerator, when I unwrap this, you can see how it's going to want to stick to my hands just taking it out of the cling wrap. So you definitely want to make sure you have some water and rice vinegar handy to prevent that from happening. Then you will be able to grab the roll without worrying about it if you just dip your fingers in the mixture to keep it from sticking to your fingers. Make sure you have a very sharp knife whenever you start to cut the rolls. And you can sprinkle some sesame seeds on it for some appeal and extra flavor. And that's it. That's how I make an inside out sushi roll. Thanks so much for watching. If you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see future content. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Plant Based Storm. Have a great day.